Hi everyone and welcome to Owen's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken tikka masala. This is one of the most popular Indian dish in the UK. There are many different variations of this recipe and this is my special chicken tikka masala. Let's begin. So I'm going to start with marinate the chicken. Here I have 500 grams of boneless skinless chicken thighs. Cut them into medium chunks or you can use breast if you wish. First I'm adding some salt, black pepper, 1 teaspoon of tikka curry powder. If you cannot find this, you can add garam masala, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of paprika, quarter teaspoon of turmeric, 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed some lemon juice, 3 cloves of garlic and half inch of ginger, and 3 tablespoons of yogurt. For mixing up, I'm using a spoon or you can use your hand and make sure all the pieces are coated with the spices. For this recipe, chicken thighs are brilliant because it's tastier and more moist. Now let it marinate for 2 to 3 hours if you have a time, and let this marinate for overnight. The longer you leave it, the better. These ingredients I'm going to use for the sauce: 1 large onion finely chopped. I'm going to make smooth sauce. Best way to everything, cut them finely. 1 chili, removed all the seeds. Tikka masala slightly spicy but I cut down by 1 chili. Fresh coriander. I'm going to use 1 can of peeled plum tomatoes. If you want to, you can use fresh tomatoes. 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. 1 teaspoon of minced ginger. Half cup of chicken stock or you can use some water. You also need some spices for the sauce and check the list here. Here I have baking tray with rack. I'm going to put the chicken in the oven, or you can do the chicken on the barbecue or pan fry, anything you like. I'm going to put them into a nice layer. Now this is ready. Into the oven 180 degrees, cook for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the chicken is fully cooked and turn into a nice golden color. Now it's time to start my sauce. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil into the pan, or you can use some butter. First, I'm going to fry the onions about 5 to 7 minutes or until they soften. Now ginger, garlic and chili. Fry them about a minute. Ginger, garlic and onion, they are the 3 essential aromatic ingredients that begins most curry. So these ingredients will provide the real base for the curry. Now I am adding ground spices. Fry them about 10 to 20 seconds until get nice toasted spice smell. I am going to add fresh coriander. Now tomatoes. Just give that a good stir and mix with the spices together. I am adding 1 tablespoon of tomato puree. Now chicken stock. Mix them all. Some salt. And stir again. Now I'm going to turn down the heat. Put the lid on. Now let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the sauce has thickened. I'm going to check the chicken. I'm going to leave this 5 more minutes. Check the sauce. Give a stir. Little bit of watery. Put the lid on. I'm going to leave it few more minutes. Now I can see sauce thicken up beautifully. Now I'm adding 4 tablespoons of double cream. If you want to, you can add more or less cream into your sauce. I'm going to give a quick stir to nice smooth consistency. Chicken is ready, nice golden brown. I'm going to take this out. This is what I'm looking for. I'm going to just pop that straight into the sauce. I'm going to give a stir everything. This sauce already thicker, creamy and luscious. Everything has come together beautifully and looks nicer. Now time to taste. It's so delicious. Now turn off the heat. Ready to serve. This is easy to make it at home. You can pan fry the chicken instead of putting in the oven, and follow this recipe and make your lovely sauce. And if you like it more spicier, then double the recipe. Then you have lovely chicken tikka masala. Little touch of cream over the top. Now you can serve with rice, bread, naan, anything.
This is easily the best masala I've ever had. Far better than anything else. All freshly made. Excellent. Rice is perfect. Chicken and the sauce is outstanding. You must try it. You must try it. A bit of sauce there with my naan. Oh, lovely. Just the way I like it. Thank you very much.
And make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.